Okay, today we're working on our Kubota L2000 tractor. We broke a knuckle on the steering, and we actually just replaced this part not too long ago, along with a new spindle, and we had issues of trying to keep it tight. The key that's supposed to hold it all in place kept shearing off, and it finally ended up just welding the knuckle to the spindle. I know it's not really something you should do, but we just got sick of messing with it, and we cannot keep it from shearing off the key. So today I was out running about moving some dirt with the loader, and I broke off the steering knuckle, and we don't want to mess with trying to order one and waiting for it to come. So we decided to just go ahead and just make a part ourselves. It'll be a lot heavier, stronger than what we could buy. Now, I have a lot of other work to do right here, so I'm going to hand the camera off to my brother, who's really good at making stuff like this. And he's going to go ahead and try to get one built and try to get it working. The steel that we're using is off of an old Alice Chalmers cultivator. It's really heavy, really thick, way better steel than what that original steering knuckle was. Before we get started here, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit the like button, and always comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, and let the build montage begin. Okay, that really turned out nice, and I've already put a few hours on the tractor, and it seems to hold up just fine, and way stronger than what the original one was. So that's probably going to do here for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.